Well, it is finally here. The Decision Stack is a real, tangible, physical, printed book, and it's amazing to hold it in my hands, and it's available now in every good bookstore near you. Now, most of you know this has been a journey of nearly 7 years since I first gave it as a talk, then started doing it as workshops, writing about it publicly, and sharing some of the insights I was learning as I was honing this concept with organizations all over the world. And so it feels really amazing to have the book finally out, but it's also a little bit scary to put it out there, to finally say, like, this is the definitive version. As a digital person, it's kind of scary to have to finish it, have to let it go, and put it out there. But I am really excited to get it into your hands and hear how it's working for you. What's working, what's not working, how it's landing in your organization. So as you do get your copy, please do write a review for Amazon, but more importantly, let me know what's working and what's not working so that I can continue to hone this concept. I hope this is just going to be the start of a long conversation about how we can be more intentional about aligning and empowering our teams to build real momentum in our organizations. And we can only do that by sharing more stories with each other. So follow along, subscribe, as I do bring more updates, interview people around the world, bring case studies and stories from how it's working. And hopefully we can meet in person soon. Next week, I'll be at Product at Heart leadership event in Hamburg, which is a real full circle moment, bringing the Decision Stack back to where it all started 7 years ago. Week after that, I'll be at Product Tank in San Francisco. And the first 2 weeks of May, there'll be 2 different events here in London, so look out for those. Of course, no book is a true solo project, so I have to thank some people as well. First of all, Petra and Arne, who gave me that stage 7 years ago and encouraged me every day since to make this into a book. To Matt, Annalisa, Emily, Johnny, Barry, and so many more who have encouraged me every step of the way since. To all of my beta readers and the feedback reviewers. Of course, my editor, my designer, my proofreader, they've done an amazing work to actually bring this to life and make it something that is more easily understood. But most importantly, thank you to my Decision Stack subscribers. So follow along and subscribe for more as we go on this journey and this book launch, and I'll share a lot more insights, stories, case studies, and much more that comes out of this journey.